Good morning, children. Exercise 2.2 in the previous class. 5 questions, 5 sums completed now. Now see sixth question. A man walks 10 kilometers, then travels a certain distance by train and then by bus as far as twice by the train. If the whole journey is of 70 kilometers, how far did the travel by train? This is the question. A man walks 10 kilometers. He walks 10 kilometers and certain distance he travelled by train. He walks 10 kilometers. Suppose he started from here. He walks 10 kilometers. This distance he walks up to here. And again from here to here he travelled by train. This is train journey. This distance travelled by train. We don't know that one. So let it be x kilometers. We don't know. We have to find that distance. Distance travelled by train you have to find. So let it be x kilometers. And next he continues his journey by bus only. So how much distance he travelled by bus? As far as twice by the train. ట్రైన్లో ఎంత దూరం ట్రావెల్ చేశాడో దానికి డబల్ ట్వైస్ ట్రావెల్ చేశాడు బస్ మీద. సో ఫ్రమ్ హియర్ he travelled by bus. How much distance he travelled by bus? Twice of the distance travelled by train. So 2x distance, 2x kilometers he travelled by bus. So this is the total journey A to B. This total journey, how many kilometers given here? Whole journey is of 70 kilometers. Total journey 70 kilometers. So A to B, the distance is 70 kilometers. He travelled from A to, here let it be C and here D. Mark as C and D. A to C, it walks. He walks 10 kilometers. And next, he travelled by train X kilometers. And by bus, he travelled by bus 2x kilometers distance. Okay? So total journey 70 kilometers. So what is the equation now? 10 kilometers plus total journey. 10 kilometers plus x kilometers plus 2x kilometers is equal to how much? 70 kilometers. Okay, that is the total journey is given as 70. So walks 10 kilometers, by train x kilometers and by bus 2x kilometers. Total 10 plus x plus 2x is equal to 70. That is the equation now. Now you got the equation. Now how to find x? How to find x? Transpose this 10 to RHS. X plus 2x, 3x. And transpose plus 10 to RHS, it becomes minus 10. So 70 minus 10, 60. So 3x is equal to 60. So then x is equal to 3x means what? 3 into x. So x is equal to 60 by 3. That is 20. So by train how much distance he travelled? 20 kilometers travelled by train. So by bus 2 into 20, that is 40 kilometers he travelled by bus. So totally 10 plus 20, 30, 30 plus 40, 70. So total distance 70. Understood, children? I will give you notes later. Now, 7th question. Seventh question. Vinay bought a pizza and cut it into 3 pieces. When he weighed the first piece, he found that it was 7 grams lighter than the second piece and 4 grams heavier than the third piece. This first 3 pieces, the pizza divided as 3 pieces. Now he observed that this is 1, 2nd, 3rd pieces. Okay. He found that the first piece, this is the first piece. This is lighter than the second piece. This is the first piece is lighter than the second piece. Second piece, this one the second piece. Okay, lighter than the second piece. How much lighter? 7 grams lighter than the this. Let it be x. First piece weight, let it be x grams. This is lighter than this one. How much lighter? 7 grams lighter. Second piece, first piece is 7. We found that it was first piece was 7 grams lighter than the second piece. So second piece how much will be? X minus 7. X plus 7. So this is first piece is x only na. So second piece x plus 7. So x plus 7 minus 6 minus 7. 7 grams lighter only na. So x plus 7 minus 7 it becomes x only. So first piece x, second piece x plus 7, and third piece. So what is that third piece? And 4 grams heavier than the third piece. Third piece kante 4 grams heavy ga undi, ekkuva undi. So third piece will be less than first piece. So how many grams less? 4 grams less. So the weight of third piece is x minus 4. Understood? See, observe that the first piece he found that heavy, this is lighter than the second piece. Second piece kante chinnadiga undi, ade weight takkuva undi. How much less? 7 grams less. So that's why second piece, first piece less ga undi ante second piece more ga unnatte kada weight. So how much more? 7 grams more. So x plus 7. Understood? And third piece he found that heavier than this. First piece is heavier than the third piece. And the third piece chinnadiga undi. I mean weight takkuva undi. So how much less ga undi? How much less? 4 grams less. So the weight of third piece becomes x minus 4 grams. Okay, understood children? Now this total weight is given for 300 grams. The weight of pizza, total weight of pizza 300 grams. So total how to find? First piece weight x grams plus second piece weight x plus 7 grams and third piece weight x minus 4 grams. That is equal to how much? 300 grams. Is equal to 300 grams. Okay. So x plus 7 plus x minus 4 is equal to 300. We got the simple equation. Understood? Now x plus x, 2x. 2x plus x, 3x. 3x plus 7 minus 4, 3. 3x plus 3 is equal to 300. Okay. Now transpose plus 3 to RHS. 3x is equal to 300 minus 3. 300 minus 3. Here 10 minus 3, 7, 9 and 2. So 297. So then 3x is equal to 297. X is equal to 297 by 3. 3x means 3 into x. Remember that. 3 into x. So while transposing into 3, it becomes divide by 3. So then 297 by 3. So 3 nines 27. Again 2 remain 7, 27, 3 nines. So first piece, x means first piece only na. The weight of first piece 99 grams. Weight of second piece, this one is second, x plus 7 grams. So 99 plus 7, that is 106 grams. And weight of third piece, x minus 4 only na. So 99 minus 4, that is 95 grams. So these are the weights of all 3 pieces. First piece 99 grams, second piece 99 plus 7, 106 grams, and third piece 99 minus 4, 95 grams. So total 300 grams. Understood children? Next, eighth question. The distance around a rectangular field is 400 meters. Distance around a rectangular field is 400 meters. Rectangular field. This is the rectangular field. Okay. This distance around means, let it be, this is ABCD. Rectangle ABCD. Around means this boundary. Means what have to find? What is that? What is it called? The length of the boundary is called what? Perimeter. So, perimeter of rectangular field is given as 400 meters. Perimeter of rectangular field given as 400 meters. The length of the field is 26 meters more than its breadth. Length means longest side is called length only, na? So length is 26 meters more than the breadth. Breadth, this is breadth, this is length only, na? So breadth be x meters. Breadth, let it be x meters. Then what about length? X plus more, x plus 26 meters. Length is 26 meters more than the breadth. So breadth let it be x. Then length becomes x plus 26. Length becomes x plus 26 meters. Okay. Breadth x meters. Now perimeter given. So what is the formula for perimeter of rectangle? What is the rectangle perimeter? Perimeter of rectangle is perimeter of rectangle 2 into L plus B is the perimeter of rectangle. So therefore now 2 into L plus B is equal to how much given? 400 meters. Okay. Perimeter is given as 400 meters. Now here L. What is L? Length how much? X plus 26 meters. Breadth how much? X meters. So now substitute here length and breadth. Length as x plus 26 plus breadth means x is equal to 400. Now you got the simple equation. Now you have to solve x here. Value of x. We can solve now. So now first transpose these two to RHS. Okay. So here into 2 only na, this is 2 into L plus B only na. So into 2 while transposing to RHS it becomes divide by 2. So in the bracket what will be there? Right as it is x plus 26 plus x is equal to 400 divided by 2. 400 divided by 2, 200. Okay. Now LHS is to x plus x, 2x plus 26 is equal to 200. Understood? Now again plus 26 transpose to RHS. What remain in LHS? 2x. 2x is equal to 200 minus 26. 200 minus 26. 10 minus 6, 4. Here 9. 9 minus 2, 7. 1. 174. Now 2x is equal to 174. X is equal to 2x means 2 into x. So 174 by 2. 2 8s are 16. 1 4 14. 2 7s 14. So x is 87 meters. What is x? Breadth. Breadth is 87 meters. What is its length? 87 plus 26. 7 plus 6, 13. And 8 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 130 meters. Understood? Now length is 113 meters and breadth is 87 meters. Okay? Here The question is calculate the length and breadth of the field. Understood, children? Shall I go for next one? Now, see next ninth question. The length of a rectangular field is 8 meters less than twice its breadth. If the perimeter of the rectangular field is 56 meters, find its length and breadth. Same as usual. Here, the relation between length and breadth given as length is 8 meters less than twice its breadth. Let the breadth be x meters. Okay? Length 8 meters less than its twice of the breadth. Twice of the breadth means, twice means 2 times. Twice of breadth is 2x. Okay? And 8 meters less than twice. So length, then the length is 2x minus 8. 8 meters less, okay, than 2x. So 2x minus 8 meters. So length is 2x minus 8 meters. Breadth is x meters. Now what is the perimeter? 2 into L plus B. Perimeter is 2 into L plus B. So 2 into L how much? 2x minus 8. Breadth x. This is equal to, given in the question, it is given as 56 meters. Its perimeter of the rectangular field is 56 meters. Find its length and breadth. Okay. So perimeter is given as 56 meters. Now from the conditions, how much you got the perimeter? 2 into 2x minus 8 minus x. This is the perimeter. Okay. According to the conditions. Now this is our equation. Now first transpose into 2. Into 2 while transposing, it divides. So 2x in the bracket, what will be there? 2x minus 8 minus x is equal to 56 by 2. That is 2 2s 4, 1 6 16, 2 8s are 16. Now here LHS 2x minus x, like terms. 2x minus x only, minus 8 is equal to 28. X is equal to minus 8 transpose, 28 plus 8. 28 plus 8, 8 plus 8 is 16, plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3 and 6. So 36 meters. So x means, what is x? Breadth. Breadth is 36 meters. Breadth is 36 meters. What about length? Length is equal to 2x minus 8. 2x minus 8. 2x means 2 into x. X how much? 36. Minus 8. 2 into 36, 72. 2 6 12. 2 3 6 plus 1 7. 72 minus 8. 72 minus 8. 12 minus 8. 4. And here 6. 64. Length is equal to 64 meters. Breadth is equal to 36 meters. Okay? Understood, children? Next. Next 10th question. Two equal sides of a triangle are each 5 meters less than twice the third side. If the perimeter of the triangle is 55 meters, find the length of its sides. Triangle. In a triangle, two sides are equal given. In a triangle, two sides are equal. Means it is isosceles triangle. So the third side means this unequal side is called the third side. Okay. The third side, here what is the condition given? Two equal sides of the triangle are each 5 meters less than twice the third side. Third side, let it be x meters. Okay. Third side, let it be x meters. So then, what about these two equal sides? Twice of x, like before sum, 8 meters less than twice its breadth only given. Length is 8 meters less than twice of its breadth. Like that only here. 5 meters less than, the equal side is 5 meters less than twice the third side. Twice means 2x. 2x minus 5. So this is also 2x minus 5. Equal sides 2x minus 5. So what is the perimeter? Perimeter of triangle means sum of all the sides. So what is the sum of all the sides? Let it be ABC triangle. So then AB plus BC plus perimeter is AB plus BC plus CA. So then AB how much? 2x minus 5. BC how much? X. CA how much? 2x minus 5. This is given, perimeter is given as 55 meters. So this is equal to 55. Okay. Now you got the equation. This is only the main important thing here. Okay. 2x plus x, 3x. 3x plus 2x, 3 plus 2, 5. 5x. So 5x minus 5 minus 5 minus 10 is equal to 55. So 5x is equal to minus 10 transpose 55 plus 10. 55 plus 10, 65. So x is equal to 65 by 5. That is 13. So x means base, means third side. Third side is the length of third side. What is the length of third side? The length of third side is x. X means 13 meters. Now the equal sides, each equal side length of each equal side is 2x minus 5. 2x means 2 into x. X how much? 13 minus 5. 2 13s, 26 minus 5, that is 21 meters. So here AB is equal to 21 meters and BC is equal to x means 13 meters and CA is equal to 21 meters. The total 55 meters. Perimeter is 55 meters. Understood, children? Listen carefully the video and try to do your own. Okay? I will send you notes later.